You mentioned artificial intelligence and big data. So, what would you say is the trend in the healthcare and the life sciences industry with the introduction of artificial intelligence? Specifically in the pharma industry, we're seeing a lot of changes, lot of improvements, lot of research which AI is aiding. So, can we talk about it a bit?
Yes, so artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these capabilities are implemented across the industry verticals, from the big pharma to medical technologies and even healthcare services.
Mm-hmm.
So in the big pharma, artificial intelligence is now being implemented from the early discovery stage to the even clinical trials stage. In the early discovery stage, if you see the current traditional discovery model for the big pharma, they use a funnel model with a large number of compounds that are being screened from the hit to lead process. Okay, that is an inefficient process, and the use of AI will help them to identify the most promising drug candidates, and they can screen large candidate molecules, but that will help reduce the burden of screening using the AI. Okay, and because of the increasing data, big data, availability of big data by the biopharmas, they can leverage the AI capabilities in their traditional drug discovery research. Second, the AI is also being used in the clinical trials and precision medicine. Okay, that is on biopharma. Coming to medical devices, definitely, we are seeing medical systems such as imaging systems, smart robot, wearables, simulation platforms where AI is increasingly used, particularly medical devices used in radiology, oncology, and cardiology. So there are quite a number of available devices where AI is increasingly being used by the big pharma as well as medical device companies. Of
Okay.
course, there is a bit of issue with regulations, regulatory approvals of these AI based. Though FDA has approved many AI based devices, still if there's no clear guidance on, though FDA has recently released a clinical decision tool based guidance, still there could be more clear guidances that FDA will might be issuing in near future. But yes, definitely there is an increasing use of AI across big pharma, medical technology, even healthcare services, the use of clinical decision support tools and apps. And yes, across the industry verticals, heightened use of these AI and ML based solutions.
Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. I would definitely say that AI is going to revolutionize the healthcare industry. So, on that note, concluding for today, thank you so much, Ravi. It was a wonderful session. Speak to you again. Thank you.
Thanks, Matsonia. Thank you.